a satellite S is moving in an elliptical orbit around the Earth. The mass of the satellite is very small compared to the mass of the Earth. Then, which of the four following options is correct? We need to find. When the satellite is moving in an elliptical orbit, we know some of the important points here. That is, if an satellite is moving in an elliptical orbit around the Earth, the net force here is nothing but the gravitational force. Gravitational force acts towards the center of the Earth here. Okay, and similar to the centripetal force in a circular motion. Then, according to the Kepler's law, the angular momentum of the satellite remains constant. Then, we can write this one remains constant, that is L is equal to mvr. This is equal to constant. Then, since the mass m is equal to constant, the velocity is inversely proportional to the radius. Then, we can say that the acceleration of S is always directed towards the center of the Earth. So, option A is the right answer.